Okay, ready? On your mark.
Get set,
Get set, go! Wait, we gotta wait for those slow pokes.
They're the pokey puppies. Hey, don't get away from us.
Okay.
Here, let's wait right here. Wait, right where this line is. Let's stop right here.
Hey, Adam, what's that?
What is it?
What? That's
Let's go look.
Somebody left their sink outside.
Why would you have a sink outside?
It's broken.
That's crazy.
You think it's broken?
It's a sink.
It's a sink. What do we normally do in a sink?
Anybody need to wash up?
Want to wash your hands?
Grandpa's joking.
It works.
Huh?
You do it.
Ryan was right. It's a broken sink.
The handles move, huh? See if this thing works in the center. See if that thing works. Oh, no, that doesn't work
Yeah,
either.
that's probably why they threw it out.
Yep. Do you see that? He goes.